Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. Excited today to talk to you about this 17K Northwood Nash. It's a little bit of a rarity. It is a pre-owned unit, and which means it's a great opportunity for someone to get a very, very lightly used Nash, which is also a rarity just to find pre-owned Nashes on the market too, at a really significant discount. So I'm just gonna walk you around some of the features. There's a lot to see inside and out. We're gonna start outside and just kind of walk around and see what we see. So you're starting off with your pebble plate here. You have two 7-gallon propane tanks. They're connected with a converter so that if there's if you run one of them dry, it'll automatically switch to the other one, so you don't have to get out and switch them in the middle of the night. You have a power tongue jack. You have a fiberglass siding on these guys. It's a very short floor plan, but it actually packs a lot of space inside. You have solar on the side. So this is in addition to the solar that is already on the roof on top. And so you can plug in, tether out, park in the shade, and stand your solar in the sun. And so you're actually doing double duty there and keeping it cool while charging your batteries at the same time. A lot of storage in this guy. Huge pass through here. And as you can see on the far side there, you have a battery cutoff switch. It makes it really easy when you're storing it, so there's not passive draw off your battery, so you don't have to disconnect the leads manually yourself. Also in there, you might have noticed some utility racks and some bike hooks and stuff, which actually fit on the other side. I'll show you that in a moment. Just gonna walk around here. There is no slide out in this, but it is quite spacious inside as well. You have your utility shower here, your black tank flush as well. Really nice little feature there. Plus, you have something that is particular to Nashes and Arctic Foxes. You have your generator box here. It's ready to go. Literally, you can have this open and running your generator inside. It makes sure that Whisper Quiet is actually staying Whisper Quiet as well. You have since you have a walk-on roof here, you have your roof ladder. Plus you have a receiver hitch back here as well. So if you wanted to actually just click in and carry some bikes with you as well, you have that option really easily available to you. Huge back window, a lot of light inside. We'll get to that in just a moment here. Big awning. We also have outdoor speakers. And this is that utility rack I mentioned. Some of that gear that's sitting in the pass-through right now. You can actually slide your, there's a grill tray, plus kind of just a utility tray, plus some bike rack hooks, so you can actually just have them when you're at camp just sitting there ready to go for you. You notice right off the bat, you have your east-west bed. One of the things that Northwood is known for is their quality of their cabinetry and their construction, and it does not fail here either. So everything's real wood. Every place you see a knot hole, that wasn't printed, that actually came right out of the tree. A lot of space for storage here, plus great storage, stackable storage, and some cubby storage as well as your cubby storage plus a platform storage right next to the bed. It's a lot of stuff that it actually makes it really handy and accessible, plus your plug-in charging station right there as well. We walk through here, we walk past the bathroom. It's a sizable shower. Plus you have a nice actual size on a medicine cabinet and a fantastic fan in there to make sure that everything stays dry. You're not actually accumulating a lot of moisture too. And you have a porcelain toilet. Makes it a lot easier to clean and it's a lot nicer to maintain as well. Your 3-burner stove and your oven, your microwave right above it, your hood that is vented to the exterior as well. Plus more storage up here, really nice cabinetry, really sturdy, really solid. Double burner, double sink here. One of the things that Northwood is known for is to actually have the trailers be boondocking ready. So the tanks are really large, as well as having something like this actually helps you maintain your tank levels as well. So you can actually have one filled, so you're washing in one and drawing and rinsing in the other. You're not just having one big tank, one big sink basin there that is just eating up a lot of your water. Tons of space underneath. Really nice hardware on all of the glides on all of the drawers. If we come back here into I think the greatest part of this trailer that really speaks to it is the brightness of the trailer. Like really light color, so the light that comes in does not get out. Huge window off the rear, really nice seating. It's really nice to actually when you take the time to get somewhere to be able to see where you've gotten to. If you have any other questions about this Nash 17K or anything else we carry on lot, feel free to stop on by and say hello.